Bring the drums back. Let it resound from the Atlantic Ocean to the Niger Delta. Tell every publication in town that on this day the earth quaked. I became the revolutionary vanguard of every mother's womb. The sun had to shine her bright forehead on Afari Kurudu. It wasn't playing stand-up like a Kurudu. My mother became the guardian to this nation she carried. Navigating through life like a West African pilot. Now I fly higher than Mutala. No airport can tell when I land. My mom said, chill. God's cooking. This masterpiece isn't finished until after 9 months. I'm never one for tight boxes, so I Mayweathered my way with a final punch. Now I stand on every mic like Sabi Insta blog. Daily, time after time, she knew this child would be a tribune. And I popped out looking like a national mirror on the wall. Who is the best of them